today I am going to talk about the Jelly Belly Harry Potter Jelly Slugs. These are candies. So, Harry Potter, I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. It's a series by J.K. Rowling. It's now a franchise because it's movies and other types of awesome memorabilia and other stuff. So, it is such a great story. It's about Harry Potter, a young boy who finds out he is a wizard and is sent to Hogwarts, the school of witchcraft and wizardry. If that doesn't hook you, I don't know what will. This candy is one of the magical treats from the wizarding world. I believe that's how you say it. Obviously, the slugs would be alive in the magical world, so they're not alive right now. They're in gummy format. And the slugs themselves are like average size. I would say they're the size of an average slug. They're colorful and each color is a different flavor. So that's very exciting. And as you can see, they have some of the flavors here. They're not very chewy, but they're more easy to bite into. I wouldn't call them gummies. They kind of remind me of Swedish fish, that kind of texture. And they're very sweet. So they have 190 calories per serving, and one serving is this pack right here. And the flavors are pear, sour cherry, tangerine, watermelon, and banana. They're naturally and artificially flavored, of course. 2.1 ounces, and it comes in this gray-blue packaging with silver stars here, and then the frame, which I think is really nice. It's a nice design. They are kosher, they're free of dairy, they're peanut-free, they're gluten-free. So if you're worried about any allergies like that, just keep that in mind. And they're very soft in texture. I don't know if I can break it, but as you can see, they're not like gummy bears, but they still are really easy to bite into. They're easy to break. And they do smell like candy, so that's a good sign. They're great for trick-or-treating. They can easily travel with you, so you can put them in your purse. You can take them on a plane to munch on. So they're just like really nice little packets of these candies. And I got this one yesterday, but I buy them all the time because I like them. I'm probably going to be done with this in the next 5 minutes. So this is made in the USA and manufactured by Jelly Belly. They're known for their gourmet jelly beans. They have all sorts of flavors. They have the other Harry Potter one, which is the Bernie Bott's beans. And they also have different ones that aren't part of the Harry Potter franchise. I know I had beer flavored jelly beans the other day, which was amazing and very strange. So definitely check them out. They're known for these types of things, for their jelly beans. So it is a little odd that they decided to do slugs, but I guess they wanted to continue the Harry Potter type of theme. This is an official Warner Bros. Harry Potter certified candy, and it's a great gift for any Harry Potter fan, whether they're adults or kids, and so just keep that in mind. It's also Christmas, great stocking stuffer. So if you're looking for ideas for that, I know it's a little early, you can do that. But then again, there's also Halloween coming up, so keep that in mind. For Halloween, I don't know about you, but when I'm putting candy in a bowl for kids to take when they're trick-or-treating, I always like to have like a packet. I don't necessarily like to just put random candy in there because I find that to be a little sketchy. So this is kind of perfect for that. Great plan. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you try this out, especially if you are a Harry Potter fan and you know what this is. I'm sure you will enjoy it.